Unveiling the essence of liquid fertilizer. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and practical topic: liquid fertilizer. This phrase is not only pivotal in agriculture and gardening but also enriches our understanding of language used in everyday life. Let's uncover what liquid fertilizer really means, how it's used, and why it's important. Liquid fertilizer is a term used in agriculture and gardening. It refers to a type of fertilizer that is in a liquid form. This kind of fertilizer is known for its quick action and ease of use. Plants can absorb liquid fertilizers directly, which makes them an efficient way to deliver essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. It's a go-to choice for many gardeners and farmers who want to see rapid growth and improvement in their plants. There are several reasons why liquid fertilizer is favored. 1. Fast-acting. Liquid fertilizer provides nutrients to plants quickly, making it ideal for correcting deficiencies or giving plants a rapid boost. 2. Uniform distribution. It's easier to ensure an even distribution of nutrients, reducing the risk of over or under-fertilizing certain areas. 3. Versatility. It can be applied directly to the soil or mixed with water and used as a foliar spray, offering flexibility in how it's used. 4. Easy application. Liquid fertilizers often come with user-friendly application methods, making the feeding process straightforward and hassle-free. Using liquid fertilizer effectively involves understanding the right concentration and application timing. 1. Read instructions. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions on dilution and application frequency. 2. Concentration matters. Over-concentration can harm plants. Ensure the mix is appropriate for the plant's stage of growth. 3. Regular feeding. Incorporate it into a regular feeding schedule to maintain consistent nutrient levels. 4. Monitor plant response. Observe how your plants react to the fertilizer and adjust the application as needed. Liquid fertilizer is more than just a gardening term. It's a crucial component for healthy and vigorous plant growth. By understanding what it is, its benefits, and how to use it properly, you're well on your way to not only enhancing your vocabulary but also potentially your gardening skills. We hope this video shed light on the fascinating world of liquid fertilizers. Happy learning and gardening!